Hello, good evening, everybody. I'm back again. People that are from Germany, I greet everybody that watch my videos. You do ask, we need information about Germany, we need information about Germany. And today I have information for you, and it's concrete that I have for you. Germany labor market has been broken. So now German government has opened door for the immigrant and people that have high skills of work, even from outside, and both the one that is inside that have high skill of work. The people they need are people that have quality labor force and good education, and it's easy for people that speak German language to obtain that opportunity. So if you're living in another country and it doesn't speak German language, it's still not easy for you to obtain that opportunity. The truth is that German government is not that there is job in everywhere in Germany. No, it's not that job is full. It's not that there is no disoccupation in Germany. Germany have 1.44 million population citizens of Germany that doesn't have a job. But the truth is that those people are low skills. The one that do cleaning and other things are low skills. They are not high skill workers. So they can't employ those people, according to the minister, as he speak. Okay. So, but they have job opportunities, 1.2 million jobs opportunity, but all is high skill job opportunity. That is it. But all the same, so what is there is, if you are an immigrant in Germany, you need to learn work and learn language, because the opportunity go with people that speak language and people that have handwork. Maybe you are in Germany and you have handwork. You have learned some work in Nigeria, not you will learn mechanic for mechanical shop. Maybe you have learned job from company and they give you certificate. That certificate is recognized. Let them bring it come to you. That's my advice to you. Let them send it to you, even though you are in camp as a asylum seeker. If they bring it to you, take it to job office, show people that you are with the organization, and you take it to job office. They will tell you what to do. It favor you too. It's an opportunity for you. And if you don't have all those things, you need to now be serious and learn the language and learn work. Because where I get this information, because all this information is not from the minister. I didn't get that. His interview that he did with one Canadian journalist, then I get this information from that minister. But I still get information from another place. That information, they still even go one company and interview the owner of the company that how did he feel about this law that come out. He said, fine, the law is okay, but he has trained people that is in asylum political, have 6-month document, and those people have become a qualified. Sometimes they were there, one will go, that person will not come back again. He will hear they have deported that person. So all his suffer has been in vain. And it's not only him. Honestly, they interview some workers that speak German language. Most of them are Bangladesh. But they speak German language and they are working nicely. So the companies and even the company owners has sent their petition to the government to employ the immigrants that have a work. And immigrants that people are teach work with, they should give them documents so that they can work. Because they cannot leave those ones because they have invested in those people. So if the government has bring this law out, that means if immigrant too is in Germany and that immigrant have a handwork or he has learned work and the Adoro no favor him, they should use this opportunity to give that person document to stay in the country. So I'm telling you that Germany believe in work. This is not the first time Germany is picking people from outside to come and work. They have been picking people from outside all the time. They have taken people from Turkey. Even another minister, when he was speaking, when they interviewed him from BBC, he was saying that they took people from Turkey some time ago. This the same thing, stock broken and labor market was broke, and they took people from Turkey. But most of them have been old and gone pension. So they don't have people to replace them. Also, some of them are about to go to pension. When they count people that are about to go to pension, there are many. So when those people go to pension, who to replace them? That is why they are looking for people all over. So if you are in Germany, asylum seeker, be serious and learn the language and try and find yourself a job to learn. Because if you learn language, pass the language, where I get some information from. If you learn the language to some certain standard, if you tell them that you want to learn a work, they will take you to a school that you can learn work. And that time, they know that you have a dream. They will never deport you. But some people, when you go there, you know, doing your own thing, run up and down, hustle for money in any ways, you think they don't see you. They used to see you. So when the time comes, there is nothing to favor you than to take you out. But if you learn the language, you're seriously learning the language, and maybe you're doing well, your record is going. So I'm begging people that are living in Germany that try and learn the language, because that is the best for you. That is my message for today, for people that live in Germany. So if you heard, the job opportunity is there. The jobs, we have got all the jobs that is there. People that are working and the one that is not working. And they say for 1.44 people are not million, 1.44 million are not working. Let me tell you, all those things, they count it from this occupation sheet and bring this analysis out. But there are some people that doesn't want to work, like foreigners that live in Germany that have 2-3 children. They will stop work and stay house. Some people that obtain the passport, they will stop work and stay house and take social, you know. So 5 years he never work. Every month they pay him, so he won't work again. So those people, they count all of them as disoccupation. So disoccupation is not up to that. When you are looking for people that is disoccupation, but when you go to documentary, it's like this. So don't let this one fear you that, oh, 1.44 million people are not working. So 1.2, then even the job is for Germany, or no, it's not like that. Most of the people are not working, they are taking money. How many mothers are not working in Germany? But they have German passports. They will count them as a citizen. They are disoccupation. How many people, men are not working in Germany, but they have the document, they are living in Germany, so they will count them as people that doesn't have job. So don't let that fear you, but I put that to you. I show you all those things for you to know that I still do my investigation very well before giving you my information. Thank you very much. See you next time. About this immigrant thing, even the parliament are still, you know, doing something about it. If I get concrete information, you will hear from me. So subscribe to this channel and get your best of news so far. You know, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.